I could not be more pleased with Andersen windows and what they did for my home. This is an older brick ranch, and it was built probably in the mid 60s. It had the aluminum windows and single pane glass. It didn't have a lot of energy efficiency. And so I called Andersen, and they came out and talked to Jacob Harden, and he was a sales rep. He told me what I was looking into, and I had a total of 20 windows and a front door and a back door, so I had the entry doors, and opted for several sliders. I had a huge window that I don't know how they even got the thing in or how they carried it, but it was a humongous window here in the front, and it ended up being a slider. And then, of course, went all the way around the house, and they did a great job. I would highly recommend Andersen. The installers were um, very professional, very knowledgeable, paid attention to detail, cleaned up completely, um, and they caulked. They made sure that everything was absolutely perfect. If that lock on that big window didn't line up exactly right, they worked and worked and worked until everything worked exactly as it was supposed to. Um, the caulking, the screens, everything was done with the most absolute care, professionalism, and the quality of the product. And I looked into windows, and there's a reason why Andersen is the state of the art when it comes to putting windows in. These guys know what they're doing, they know how to do it, and they do an amazing job. So you've got my endorsement, and I would highly recommend it to anybody that wants to put in new windows, new doors. Uh, you're the right people. Thank you very much.